Hey there, content creators! Before we dive in, click the link in the description to sign up for Wordable and start publishing blog posts in seconds. Seriously, it's a game changer. If you're tired of spending hours formatting your Google Docs before uploading them to WordPress, Wordable is the tool you've been looking for. With just one click, Wordable instantly exports your Google Docs to WordPress, perfectly formatted, including images, headers, links, and more. No more messy code. No more copy-paste chaos. It's ideal for bloggers, SEO writers, marketing teams, and agencies who want to save time and boost productivity. In fact, Wordable has become one of the top search tools in 2025 for content workflow automation. White heavy checkmark SEO best practices? Covered. White heavy checkmark mobile-friendly formatting? Done. White heavy checkmark fast uploads with clean HTML? Absolutely. And here's the best part, Wordable now integrates with tools like Surfer SEO and Grammarly, making your content not just faster to publish, but smarter too. So if you want to scale your content without burning out, Wordable is your shortcut to publishing at speed and scale. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more time-saving tools, drop a comment if you've tried Wordable, and share this video with someone stuck in the copy-paste struggle. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing!